Have you ever wondered who truly rules the wild, the mighty lion or the cunning crocodile? In a lesser-known encounter, tensions soared as nature's titans faced off. The lion, king of the jungle, prowled with undeniable power and elegance. As the crocodile lay in wait, submerged in shadows, the atmosphere crackled with anticipation. Suddenly, the lion burst forth, asserting its dominance as it charged directly at the crocodile. With a swift and decisive move, the lion trampled the reptile, showcasing its unmistakable strength. In this thrilling duel, the lion stands victorious, reinforcing its status as the ultimate predator.